in the last time, Ram, Lakshman, and Sita, all three are going off in the chariot to leave the kingdom. The prince ka mothers like that Kaushalya and Sumitra, they all are telling them bye. They are sitting on in a chariot, which is the name of the charioteer. There is a person who is taking them to a certain distance. That is Sumantra. So he is taking them. Along with them, lots and lots of people from the city of Ayodhya are going along with them because they feel that, they will tell him bye, they will talk to him, they will say something. So many of them are walking along with him. Ram Bhagwan tells his charioteer that you go a little slow. I want to tell goodbye to all of these people. So he tells them goodbye. He tells them not to worry. He's talking to all of them, but still lots and lots of people are coming along with him. So for one whole day, almost like, 7, 8 hours, people are walking along with him, and they reach one place, like it's called the bank of the river Tamasa, where they all decide that now today they will relax in the night now, because they have traveled all throughout the day, and now it is time to relax. So Ram, Bhagwan, Sita, Lakshman, they all go to sleep. All the people of Ayodhya also, they are also very tired, and they all also fall asleep. When it is not even morning, like, it is still like little bit before morning, Ram Bhagwan wakes up the charioteer and says that now we must quickly go away from here before the people of the village wake up. So in that darkness, just before the sunrise is going to happen, Ram Bhagwan tells Sumatra bye, and he says that you just drop us to this place, and from there you go back. The charioteer is not very happy about it. He says that please, Ram Bhagwan, let me come with you. I will stay with you wherever you stay. I don't want to go back to the kingdom. I don't want to be without you. I want to just stay with you. So Ram Bhagwan tells him, explains to him that no, now your duty is to serve Raja Bharat because he is the king. You go back, you take care of my parents, you take care of the kingdom, and you give everybody a message that we are safe and we will quickly come back as soon as the 14 years are over. So the charioteer is very, very sad, but he has to follow what Ram Bhagwan has said, and he tells them goodbye. And quickly, it's almost like, early morning before anybody can see them, Ram, Lakshman, and Sita, they start walking away. They reach a place where there is a tribesman, a king of the tribe, whose name is Guha. And Guha has heard a lot of Ram Bhagwan. He has a lot of respect for Ram Bhagwan. And he is very, very happy to see Ramji. He tells Ram Bhagwan that you please come and you stay with us in this place for 14 years. We will be very happy to keep you. And not only that, he orders a big feast to be cooked for Ram Bhagwan. But what does Ram Bhagwan say? Do you know? He says that no, I have been asked to stay in the forest. I cannot take part of all these luxuries. You please give us a very simple meal and I will then go ahead into the forest. Guha feels very sad. He says, but you have already left your kingdom. Why are you saying no to stay with us? Please stay with us. We will take care of you. So Ram Bhagwan pats him on his back and says that no, I cannot take help from anybody. Me, Lakshman, and Sita will go into the forest and we will make our own arrangements. So for now, you just be happy. We are also going to be happy and we are going to take care of ourselves. And then he tells Guha that you just arrange a boat for us so that we can cross over from this side to the other side. It was a big river. It was not possible to walk over it. Guha is more than happy that so he calls for a boatman. The boatman comes with his boat and the boatman is also very happy to see Ram Bhagwan. Who will not be happy to take him in his boat? So the boatman says that please come into my boat. Let me wash your feet. Does namaskar, and he takes Ram Bhagwan onto the other side in his boat. Ram Bhagwan sits in the boat of Guha, and they cross over. Sita Maya is also very happy that the boatman has helped them. She had one small little necklace left, so she takes that necklace and she gives it to the boatman. Now Ram Bhagwan, Lakshman, and Sita, they have left the entire kingdom behind. They have crossed over whatever little part of the of Ayodhya was left, and they have gone deep into the forest. Now, what happens in this forest, we will see ahead. This is the beginning of a section of the Ramayana called as the Ayodhya Kand.